Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia and you're welcome. If you're not, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, man, thank you. So for today, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, and without saying much, subscribe, like and share my videos. So let's get into it.
So I'm just cleaning my face using my wet wipes, and after that I'm going to do my eyebrows. And guys, for eyebrows I have a tutorial on how to trim them and do them perfectly. Please watch it. I'll just link it below. So for this step I'll just let y'all watch. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go. So my eyebrows are done, and right now I'm just applying my eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to tap it in using a damn beauty blender. So the two purple eyeshadows are the ones I'm going to use. So I'm starting off by applying the darker eyeshadow, the darker purple eyeshadow, and I'm just going to tap it in. And guys, always hold your brush at the end. Don't hold it at the tip like that, like it's not like you're holding a pen. Always hold it at the end to apply pressure when applying your eyeshadow. So I'm going in with the lighter shade of purple that I showed you, and I'm just tapping it on top of the other one that I applied. So for this other eye, I'm starting with the lighter shade of purple, and I'm just tapping it in, then I'll add the darker one on top. And guys, I think it will be better if you start with the lighter shade, then add the darker shade. That way you'll have like a good transition. So after that, I'm just using Vaseline to cut my crease. Vaseline is so good for cut crease. Like you just apply it on your flat brush, then make a line where you want to cut your crease. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. So I'm taking a small piece of wet wipe, and I'm just using my nail file. It's a small one to clearly define my cut crease, like I'm wiping off the Vaseline. That's what I'm doing. And for this step, if you have those sharp nails or stick-ons or whatever, you can wrap them on your wet wipes and use it to wipe off the Vaseline. So after all those steps is when you can go in with your concealer and cut your crease nicely. So I'm done with cutting my crease, and I'm just going to take a clean brush and tap the product in. And guys, like you can see, I cut my crease higher, and if you like, you can cut them higher or just to wherever you want them to be, but for this step I think I like it higher. Yeah. So after cutting your crease, you want to fill the end of your crease with starting with the darker eyeshadow, followed by the lighter one, and then the lightest. That's how you fill your crease. So I filled the ends with the darker shade followed by the lighter one, and right now I'm just adding the pink shade. And guys, sorry for the lighting, at this point my lighting was the ghetto. So I'm just going to fill it with the pink shade, and then for the inner corner of my eye I'm going to add a white eyeshadow. Like you can see the transition from the light and then to the darkest at the outer corner of my eye. So I did my wing liner off camera, and right now I'm just smoking out my bottom lash line using the black eyeshadow and the purple ones that I used on my eyelids. So right now I'm just wiping any fallout, and after that I'm just going to apply my foundation. So my face is moisturized, and I'm just going to spread that foundation that I put on my face using my concealer brush. Always do this step so that you can ensure that you don't use a lot of product. So I'm just applying the foundation. I'm just tapping it in using my Damn Beauty blender. And guys, don't forget to blend your neck. So I'm going to highlight my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead and my chin using a lighter concealer. Then I'm just going to blend, and I'm also going to apply the concealer under my cheekbones. So for the areas like my under eye that the beauty blender couldn't reach, I used a brush to blend out. So right now I'm using a darker shade of setting powder to contour my cheekbones, around my forehead, and also around my jaw area. So right now I'm setting my under eye using a lighter shade of setting powder, and I'm just going to tap it in using my powder brush. So after that, I'm also going to set the highlighted areas using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. So I applied my lashes, and right now I'm just going to do my lips, and that will be it for this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.